This is a Fastbind Elite XT tabletop perfect binder. It's a manual tabletop binder. It's powered on 115 volts AC power. If you have any questions regarding this equipment, you can call and contact our sales department or visit us at boggsequipment.com. Or if it's an auction item, you can check the listing. So I'm going to do a little demonstration to show how the machine functions. Put your padding material in here, push the clamp in, lock the clamp, then use the milling blade, which comes on once you move it. Well, actually, we need to flip the pad. We run our gluer across. You can see it's applying glue here. And then you'd let your pad dry, flip it over, and then nip it. This is the Fastbind Elite XT tabletop perfect binder.